So everyone is talking about the Estonian digital residency card and the digital ID of Estonia. You must know that also Italy has one. It's of course different, but let me explain you why it is really worth to do it and why you should do it right now. So first things first, you need to look for a digital ID provider. So the most common one is the post office, but there are also digital ones. And you need to provide them a valid ID, which can be the Italian carta d'identità or your passport, and the codice fiscale card. That's all you need. So you can do it online, it's free, or you can walk to the post office, which is free as well. Some services, they also provide you a digital recognition, so you just log in on a website and they have a short interview through Skype or through a camera which they identify you, and then you are rewarded with a username and password. So back in the days, you could access to every government portal with an ID and password. So you had one ID for your IMSS website, one for the tax office, one for your local comune, one for the healthcare system, etc., etc., etc. So the digital ID is just your personal ID, and you can access every, and I mean every, government portal. So if you want to access the tax office, you use the same password as the IMSS, and also you might have a mobile app that will let you in with just a simple code or a face ID, etc. And I think this is extremely advantageous, because you do not have to spend time in lines at every office. You do not need to ask for certificates while staying there, and it's actually very fast. You can do it anytime from home. It also works from abroad, and especially if you need to set up your business. For instance, you want to have your partita IVA, you can do it from there. You need to book a specialist visit, at your local regional healthcare system. You can do that. You can access at IMSS. You can access at every public portal on your hand. And this is, I think this is very good. It is very good also when you leave Italy. And unlike the Estonian digital card, e-residency card, you do not claim residency to Italy. You can have your digital ID, but you do not say, hey, I also state that I'm a resident of Italy. You might not be that, but you can still have those benefits, which is, very hard if you think about Estonia, because yes, you can do it everything from home. It's done by the government. It's free. You get your car delivered home, but you are saying that you are a tax resident of that country. And then this information is exchanged with other jurisdictions. This is a different level. So you cannot set up your company in Italy with a digital ID, but you can do a lot. So, and especially due to COVID, that created many troubles at public offices due to timing. You cannot access those restricted hours. Well, if you had your digital ID, you could just go online and download whatever you needed at any time without, contributing to those long lines we were accustomed to.